What happens in Vegas might stay in Vegas, but this is one weekend you'll want to relive again and again. Whether it's your first visit or your fifth, Las Vegas has a way of turning every short trip into something unforgettable. And if you've only got a weekend, you'll need a smart game plan to soak it all in. Start with where you sleep. The Cosmopolitan offers luxury with a stylish, modern twist, and its terraces with Bellagio fountain views are hard to beat. Prefer vintage glam? The Venetian delivers on elegance, while Resorts World brings new energy with multiple hotel brands under one roof, plus a high-tech, touchless check-in that gets you out of line and onto the Strip faster. Vegas isn't just about gaming, it's about the experience. For shows, book early. Cirque du Soleil's O at Bellagio remains a crowd favorite for its water-based acrobatics, while newer productions like Awakening at Wynn dazzle with cutting-edge visuals. Want to laugh until your stomach hurts? Hit up a stand-up comedy club or grab tickets for a headlining performer. Vegas always brings the biggest names. Then there's the food. Every meal in Vegas can feel like an event. Head to Gordon Ramsay Hell's Kitchen for drama with your dinner, or savor the omakase at Nobu for a more intimate culinary experience. For casual bites, egg slut at the Cosmopolitan and the 24/7 Secret Pizza, no signage, just trust us, are musts. With limited time, planning your movement matters. Use the monorail for fast north-south travel, especially when hopping between shows and hotel stops. If you're up early, explore beyond the Strip, take in sunrise at Red Rock Canyon or brunch at the Arts District's trendy cafes. A weekend in Vegas can be more than just a blur of lights, it can be a curated blend of luxury, excitement, and indulgence, no matter your vibe. So if you had just one weekend in Las Vegas, what would be your top 3 must-do experiences?